Hi, I'm Chelsea Lipford Wolf from Today's Homeowner and Checking In with Chelsea. One of the things I love about DIY projects is being able to get a high-end look for less. And I also love when companies make getting that look even easier. That's why the Wetwall Water-Proof Wall Panel system is so exciting to me. It's a waterproof wall panel system that offers the style of a swanky hotel. And bonus, the Wetwall system can be applied directly over drywall, fiberboard, or even existing tile without the need to demo because of its easy to install tongue and groove panels. That simplicity makes it ideal for DIYers because you can install it in as little as 2.5 hours. Plus, you can use it for almost any bath surface. Besides shower walls and bath surrounds, it's great for accent walls, ceilings, wainscoting, vanity backsplashes, even shelving and shower benches. The experts at Wilsonart created the Wetwall designs to complement popular bath fixtures and fit virtually any decor. There are calming neutrals, subtle wood grains, which I love, and elegant stone patterns. But here's the part busy moms like me can really appreciate. The single panel grout-free surface features antimicrobial protection and is scratch and scuff resistant, so it cleans up with soap and a damp cloth. To find out more, visit wetwall.com.